Correlation Analysis app. Simplify. Visualize. Analyze. Are you looking to analyze relationships between variables in your dataset? Look no further. Introducing the Correlation Analysis app. In just this video, we'll show you how this user-friendly app can simplify your correlation analysis. The sidebar panel is your command center. Easily upload your data file, select columns of interest, and customize your analysis. With a few simple clicks, you're ready to dive into the fascinating world of correlation analysis. The main panel is where the magic happens. Let's explore the tabs and the insights they offer. The Correlation Matrix tab displays a visually stunning plot that represents the relationships between variables. For a more detailed understanding, the Correlation Matrix with Numbers tab shows you the numeric values within the plot. If you're looking for a different perspective, check out the Core Plot tab, which offers alternative correlation plots. In the Summary Statistics tab, access comprehensive statistical measures that provide valuable insights into your dataset. And for even more visualization options and advanced statistical details, explore the Performance Analytics and MISC tabs. The Correlation Analysis app puts you in control. Customize the title, focus on specific relationships, and download your analysis results for further exploration. Uncover the hidden connections within your data today. Try the Correlation Analysis app and make data-driven decisions with confidence.